Welcome back to CTV, Citizens Television. Last week we were here, we discussed a lot concerning the bad roads in Imo State. There's this understanding, these sad feelings that the roads in Imo State and other southeast states are bad or more terrible. You can't even go on the roads with bike or even bicycle. It is that terrible. And each time we mention it, people keep calling. They told us the need for us to continue on this campaign to ensure that the roads in the southeast, in Imo State, the eastern heartland, become more terrible to enable rural communities go from one village to another, one community to another, one market to another, to enable the goods and services, the products in our local environment come out. The Chinese say that if you want to develop a nation, you must build the roads. Our roads are bad. And on that note, they've also informed me that from this October, we shall be meeting with what they call the dry season. The rain season is over, and this is the period, according to these people, have called for us to actually grade our rural roads. If you are living in Owerri, in Imo State here, in Ngopala, in Owerri North, Owerri West, in Owerri Municipal, you cannot come or go from one village or community to another. It is terrible. What is happening? What has been the focus of these people who have been in charge of our political administration? What is their focus? The local government in the past, we know, we are responsible for at least grading the rural areas, making it what it should be. Today, it is sad to announce to you that the local governments are no longer functional. It's terrible. Just visit any of these local governments, you will weep with what is happening in our society today. And the question keeps coming, what is happening? What is the focus of those in government? Again, the people that called, even from the diaspora, have now asked me to say one thing that is important. This time around, we shall be identifying a particular society, a particular community, a particular village, 10 unions, who will do well in grading the rural areas. We want to bring in people in making our rural areas a place we can visit from one community to another. So this period, this season that is coming on board, this Christmas season, beginning with this October till the end of December, we'll be keeping account of communities that will help to make their roads possible for people to move from one place to another. And I want to tell you, we shall be visiting the PGs, President Generals, the rural community leaders, to see how possible we can make Imo Road possible. We want to make sure that Imo becomes a place where rural communities can move around, people can move around and get what they want without these serious, terrible death traps we call roads. I'll be coming your way again to discuss more on things that concerns Igbo on this place we call the Citizens Television, CTV, talking about all Igbo interests here and abroad. The Igbo global community is our concern. Thank you.